So I'm running into a problem with editing my video. Basically, I have these UFC videos that I screen recorded through a, I believed, high quality screen recorder, and I know it's not a I know it's not a problem with the actual screen recording software. So because when I pull up the actual video here from the screen recording, let's see. And for instance, when I go to the part that I'm having a problem with, when I go to that part, like I watch it, it's right here. It's right here. When I go to that part, I watch it, totally fine. There's no errors. There's no image errors. But when I load that same video, that same clip over here into Adobe Premiere Pro, I open it up in the, I believe this is the preview window. I don't know what it's called, but when I load it up over here, you know, I have this. You see this weird discoloration and whatever that stuff is. I run into that. And it's only when I load it into Premiere. Yeah, this is not what I want. And what's weird, you see how I'm scrubbing and it's doing it, but then there's no rhyme and reason to it. So sometimes I'll go like this and I'll play it in the preview and it'll have that problem. But then other times, I don't know if it'll do it now. Sometimes I'll watch it and it's not popping up now, but sometimes that error won't pop up. And the same thing happens when I load it into the timeline. Now I have this clip already loaded into my timeline, and originally when I put it in here, there was none of this weird discoloration, and I don't know what that is. There was none of it. And then it's just randomly, no rhyme or reason to it, I get this stuff. You know, I don't know why this pops up. You know, I even went up to, I would select it. I'm a beginner at this, and I would go up to sequence. I would render the selection. That really didn't do anything. I even did render into out, and it would, you know, I did that, and get the same problem here. Over here, it's not a problem. I quit and restarted Adobe Premiere. Didn't help. I tried exporting this to see if it would clear up. Didn't help. And so yeah, if any of you know what is going on, why I'm running into this really weird problem, if you can help me out, I'd really appreciate it. Yeah, please get back to me. Thank you very much.